$30, $29.99. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Period. What?
Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that smells on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex. Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coupe, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coupe. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag.
Okay, this is the packaging. Model Freedom Part wig style 101 color 4 rotating part. Let's go. This wig was $30. I got it at my local beauty supply store. And look at that flow. And yes, the beauty supply store, you all, you don't have to order it. If you want to, you can, but you don't. Y'all, this ain't got no lace. No lace. Wow. That's what happens when you're thirsty to purchase something. But it has 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. And got a little adjustment. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it right now because look at my little head. But look at that part. The part is really cute. I'm not doing no plucking. I plucked before and I really suck at that. I think a little makeup would do that justice. Alright, let's put this nose on. This is so cute. Even without the lace, y'all, look at this flow. Look at $30, $29.99. 29. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Period. What? What? Baby, this is cute. Let's, what? Oh my god, this is beautiful. Let's lay this look though. Let's do this right. Let's come in here correct. So this is what it looks like without me adding any pressed powder. I'm gonna add some pressed powder, and y'all, I know I put too much baby up there. I already know. Relax. Because I was in different lights, so now I see the real. So I might have to go back in and fix that before work. But yes, so this is the LA Color powder I'm using. It's tan. I think it's too light. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I don't think it's okay because your scalp is lighter. It tends to be lighter. Let's rub that in there. Okay. Not too much. I hate doing stuff on camera, y'all. I'm still learning that skill. Okay, y'all, so I end up using the Kiss New York. I'm gonna say it's about the brand of the product because it looks like it's almost gone, so y'all really can't see, but it looks like the same color. And I'm not trying to knock LA Colors. Y'all might give me a contract one day. I ain't trying to dish y'all. I'm just saying it's about the same color, but it's a little lighter. That's all. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's all about trying to camouflage that little line that leads to that lace, and you good to go. So I just took out some hairs on my own. Wait, I am missing something. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this hair is giving me, for my natural releases, silk perm press. Natural curls on straight fleet. Okay, straight. For my bundle wearers, basic sewing with a closure. This hair is everything. Like, I can't even process how. First off, did I say it was $30? Like, come on. And this hair really feels good. I'm not even lying to y'all. So that's all the pros. It feels good. It looks good. It blends with the scalp well, even before I put in the pressed powder. Did I mention this to y'all yet? Look at that. I know I got so much baby hair. We talked about that already. But, I'm sorry. Huh? I dropped something. Oh. Beautiful. I did not do anything to it. I flattened it down with my wand. That's one thing. It comes straight. It's also layered. It's like, I didn't even see how many inches this is. How many inches is this hair? I want to say this hair is like maybe, oh, brush on, hold on. I want to say this is about, what's that, 20 inches, maybe 18, and then it got like a 16-inch at the top. So it's layered very nicely and naturally, you know, looks really good. So while I was going in to lay my own baby hair, I saw some short pieces that they had cut out for the baby hair, but I wasn't really feeling it. So if you want to purchase this wig and you see it, you all can test it out, let me know how it goes. You also can rotate the part. It's another rotating part. This is also lighter if you all didn't see. This is a 4. I like this color way better. This gave me life. It gave me vibrance. It looks real fresh, you know. Should you get this hair? Yes, you should. Should you tell your friends? Yes, you should. Is it gonna last forever? No, it ain't. But it's a great buy for what it is. If you all, like I say, if you all want to get an update on the wig, let you know how it's been for me for the few couple of days, I can do that. Okay, so where did I order the wig from? I almost forgot. Didn't order it. What am I talking about? I got the wig from my local beauty spot store, and I love them so much. It's called Sam's Discount. I'm from Chicago, West Side, so if any of you all are familiar, y'all know about Sam's Discount. On Chicago Ave, bundles and bundles and bundles of wigs. They have a big variety. And they also can order wigs for you as well. But this one was there. I came in looking for something else and I spotted this one. And the mannequin head was already like a little old, you know, because it had been sitting out there for a while, but it still caught my attention. The cut, the style, the color, it all was cute. And it was blonde. It was like a white blonde. So I'm like, the white blonde is still looking decent. I just imagine what this faux gonna look like. The proof is in the pudding, okay? So you don't have to order this hair unless you don't have a local beauty spot store who has a variety of hair. You can look it up. Again, what is it? Freedom Park Wig Model Style 101. 101. And these are all the colors it comes in. And I'll let you all know it has 2 combs, no lace. So I think it made it easier for the process, even though it shook me. I was shook. But it's less work. All you're doing is laying your edges, putting your little comb on. You probably can do this before you even throw your wig on and go out the door. I think it's less work, less maintenance. And it really gives me the feel of a closure. I like it so much. It didn't take too much blending. It's really cute. Also, if you like the wig, comment. If you have any more questions, comment. Like, subscribe. Y'all know the rest. And thank you all for joining. And I hope you got everything you needed out this week. Till next time, you guys. Bye.
I give raw chills, 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that smells on wheels. Woo!